people and stuff.
All right, I got to camp early, got set up. There's nothing really going on. Trail celebration and wedding. I found out there's gonna be a wedding tonight. And then Nikki comes up giving shuttles to the injured or the exhausted, the people in need. Do you call this the SAG wagon?
It is the Land Trust party wagon.
Oh, well normally they call it the SAG, support and gear.
Yes.
Okay.
It can be.
Anyway, so we're going to pick up Shane. I mean, people that might need help. Oh, Shane will kill me if I do this. Nah, anyway, I didn't have anything else to do, and I was like, hey, can I ride along? And she's like, yeah, we got 7 seats, so we're going on a mission. There's already buzzards. That's not good. Oh, there's a pond? Yeah, this is all the private though.
Yeah, and this is a sheriff. And a dog that barks excessively.
Is that a covered bridge?
That might be the Pisgah covered bridge.
No, Pisgah covered bridge you can actually go to. That is a covered bridge though. That's kind of cool.
That is really
I'm glad I volunteered for this.
cool. You got to explore a new little area. And then this is Gamelands coming up.
Yep.
That's Billy Hagee.
So Shane will be with Billy.
Yeah. Right, we're gonna loop it around.
Let's see.
This is
There he
the
is,
private
looking
lane.
all.
Oh man, we might need all 7 seats.
I might have to hike the rest again.
No, we only have beat up rusty trucks.
The cameras are on.
Well, when I saw the van leaving, I said, where are you going? Where are you going?
You just got out of a van.
And I said, where are you going? And she said, I'm going to get, if people need help, if they're injured or perhaps not feeling well, I'm going to go give them a ride.
So you started
And I said,
me.
do you mind if I come along so I can say hey to Shane?
Okay, number one.
And then I kind of laughed and I said, no. I said, I think Shane will be doing good today. He probably won't need help.
Number one, where was you at? Already at camp?
Wonderful. He rolled through before I got here.
You remember yesterday what my theory was, what I said?
Yeah, you said you was going to let everybody pass you.
That was yesterday.
I never passed you.
I said almost everybody.
You didn't even follow through with your theory.
Well, actually, if I remember right yesterday, when I was getting my hot dog, I looked over and saw you and I said, Shane, when did you get here?
What happened yesterday?
So you might have got there before me yesterday.
What happened yesterday was we got to that Tower Road place. And as soon as we got there, Travis hollered at everybody. He said, listen guys, it's Uwharrie, it's Bigfoot area. I'm a little nervous driving over there and jumping off rock by myself. Would anybody hop in the truck with me?
I heard he had lost his map too and his GPS wasn't working.
His GPS was down, there's no phone signal, he lost his map. He was, he was in a bad way.
Yeah.
So I had to jump in and help him. And of course we got there, everything was fine.
Yeah.
We had but you know.
And I know you got friends that leave you behind, but it's good that you got friends that won't leave you behind either.
Yeah. There you go. That's right. Yeah, I got some friends, I don't even know where they are. They just left. They're probably at camp. You could have.
Oh, I came back, but I don't know. I hadn't seen them yet.
Yeah. You know, huh? They may have even hit your ride today.